guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a haul video. So it's a makeup and skincare haul. I film these regularly on my channel. I'm always out shopping. I'm always picking up new things. I always need to repurchase things. So yeah, I thought I'd share them with you in a video today. So yeah, let's just get started. First of all, I'm starting with shampoo. So I love the Pantene volume and body shampoos. But I had to mention them because I picked up about 6 because they were down from £5 to £2.50, so an amazing saving, half price. And look how big this bottle is as well. It's an extra large bottle, so I like to get the big size bottles because you get more for your money and they last a lot longer. And because it was down from £5 to £2.50, an absolute bargain. So I think I picked up about 4 of these ones. And I forgot to mention, it's the Pantene Volume and Body Shampoo. And I also picked up another one. I think I picked up 2 of these. This is the Pantene Pro V Miracles Lift and Volume Silicone Free Thickening Shampoo. And it has biotin and rose water. This was also down from £5 to £2.50. So really, really affordable. And by the way, these were from Boots. I think everything I've got today was from Boots. So yeah, if you are looking for these shampoos, try and look for them when they're in the sale. They usually have 3 for 2s on, and they usually have some kind of sale, so don't buy them at full price. Look for them when they're in the sales. Then I picked up a new CeraVe cleanser. So I have the hydrating cleanser, I have the foaming cleanser. So the hydrating one's for dry skin, the foaming one is for matte skin, but they've got this new one now. So this is a hydrating cream to foam cleanser. So it's not the foaming one, it's not the hydrating one, it's a different one. It's a cream and then it turns into a foam apparently. It's for normal to dry skin. And yeah, I love the CeraVe cleansers. This was about £12.50, so it's not cheap. It's not an affordable brand at all, but trust me, it's the best cleanser out there. I love CeraVe. It's my favorite skincare brand. It is so good, so soft and gentle on your skin. It is incredible. It really hydrates your skin as well if you're having skin issues. I love it so much. So yeah, this was about £12 I think, but so worth it. Then I picked up a couple of the simple hydrating cleansing wipes, the water boost version. Like I've mentioned before, I use the face halo most of the time, but now and then if I'm traveling or if I'm going places, I like to take wipes as well, and I like to clean my face with wipes throughout the day as well, not just using the face halo. And these are so affordable, and these are biodegradable as well, so you don't have to worry about them harming the ocean. That's what I love about Simple. And yeah, I think it was 3 for 2 for these as well, so really affordable. Then I picked up a Aveeno hand cream. This is the daily moisturizing hand cream for normal to dry skin. For me, this is the best hand cream out there. I struggle with other hand creams. I do use other hand creams, but this is probably the best one. It is quite intense, so if you have very dry skin, like me, on my hands, especially in the winter, especially because I'm washing my hands all the time and I'm putting hand gel on, then I need a really good hand cream. So yeah, this is a really good one. I think it was about £3 or £4. Then I picked up a sheet mask. Now, if you watch my channel, you know I love testing out sheet masks all the time. I love a good face mask. So this is the Simple 5-Minute Reset Hydrogel Mask. And it has 1 sheet mask, which equals 40 days of moisturizer. Wow, that's a lot. So basically it's for dry and sensitive skin. You put it on 5 minutes and it's supposed to rehydrate and refresh your skin. So keep an eye out on my channel for this review because I will be testing this out. I will be reviewing it. I love a good mask. So yeah, we'll see how this one goes. This was about £3 as well, so really affordable. Okay, now moving on to makeup. So I picked up another NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. I'm sure if you watch my channel, you know I use this in most videos. I wear it most days, so I do go through them quite quickly, and they're about £6 each. It's really good at keeping your eyebrows in place all day. And then another one, if you know my channel, you know I use this every single day without fail. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On Eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. This is about £4 or £5, really affordable. It does last a long time, but when you're using it every single day, it doesn't last as long, so I had to pick up a new one. It is so good. It's perfect for my eye colour, perfect for my skin tone, my hair colour. It's just the best eyeliner in my opinion. Then I picked up another primer. So I have used this before and I ran out, so I need to pick up another one. So this is the Rimmel Matte Primer. It's all day shine control and it's just a mattifying primer basically. It's a really good primer. It is mattifying, but it's not drying and it doesn't make you look cakey. It's actually quite a nice matte primer, and these are only about £3 or £4, so really affordable. And I wear this a lot actually. I don't wear it every day, but I do wear it a lot, so it must be a good primer. So yeah, I got that. Then I picked up this Essence highlighter. So I have been looking for the Essence Pure Nude highlighter for years. In the UK I cannot seem to find it, so when I go to America I need to pick it up because it is such a good highlighter apparently. But I found this one, so I thought I'd give this one a try. So it's in the shade Heroic and it's a silky smooth powder highlighter to illuminate your complexion, and it has a buildable texture which lasts all day. So it's just like a standard highlighter basically. So we'll see if that is any good. I think this was only about £2.99, so really affordable. And the last two things are nail polishes. So first of all I have this Essie nail polish and it's in the shade Between the Seats. It's kind of like a beige taupe shade, I guess. I haven't used it yet, but it looks like a really natural everyday type shade, and this was about £7.99. And then the last one is the Maybelline Superstay 7 Days nail polish in the shade Nude Rose. So I've had this for years and years and years, but it ran out, so I picked up a new one. This is a really good nail polish. I'm actually wearing it on my nails today, and it does actually last 7 days. It's a really good nail polish, and they also come in lots of different shades, and I think it's about £5.99, so really affordable. So if you haven't tried out these nail polishes, go and check them out, they're really good. So yeah, that was everything from my makeup and skincare haul. I think everything was from Boots, and I think everything was drugstore. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!